Hey, good morning everyone. Tony Reed here at HART High School for the second annual STEM CTE Expo. Here also with FIDA and myself, the drone cadets, with my team. We're showing people what drone soccer is all about.
Hi, I'm Anna Ragavir. I'm one of the assistant principals here at HART High School.
My name is Kayode Ayetiwa. I am the principal of HART High School.
Today we're hosting the first ever
drone competition and drone soccer this afternoon.
In partnership with Drone Cadets and FIDA World Cup. We have many high schools here.
On this side, it's competition time, showing the community and having competing high schools compete for the first ever New York City Invitational from FIDA Drone Soccer with Drone Cadets.
Drones is a big portion of our school, hence the name robotics in our name. It's how allows students to be able to be creative, be innovative, learn engineering, learn computer science, and compete as well.
This is a phenomenal New York City public school, charter school, private school competition, collaboration. It's wonderful. It's going to be amazing. We also have our annual CTE Expo happening next door.
Individuals showcasing what they do here at HART High School, from robotics to drones to healthcare to 3D printing. HART High School has it all.
And all of our programs we have here. You're going to be seeing our business technology students. They are recreating local business logos.
And this is important for our students in the community because the world we live in is geared towards technology and drone technology in various fields.
My name is Shrafan. I'm in 11th grade and I go to Robert H. Goddard. I signed up for this Drone Academy thing like a year ago and we've been to 2 competitions. This is like our 3rd one and we won. I was a striker and yeah.
Hi, my name is Dejan Chowdhury and I'm also a junior and I love drone soccer for the soccer spirit of it. You know, I play actual soccer and I wanted to really test my skills and in the air and I also was with him in that drone academy, and here I am. We finally got our first real win. Our second win, and I'm very thankful.